If you work in real estate with international clients and consider yourself a beginner when it comes to real estate English vocabulary, this video series is for you. We've put together this series of 5 videos specifically to cover some of the basics that you need to know for your job. In each video, I'll go over real estate English vocabulary that you need to know and be able to use when showing properties to your clients, negotiating deals, and pitching your services. Hey real estate experts, nice to see you here. If this is your first time visiting our channel, I'm Jenny from Real Estate English Academy. We help people like you who work in real estate learn the English that they need for their job. In today's lesson, we'll start out our 5-part series by covering some general real estate English vocabulary. First up is lot, plot, or site. All of these 3 words can actually be used interchangeably. A basic definition would be a plot of land assigned for sale or for a particular use, like a property development, or a piece of land owned by an individual or legal entity. The main difference between these words is that the term lot is typically used in North America. You might also hear the term site used more generally to describe location and more specifically to refer to a building site. Examples. We found the perfect location for our new office development. The site is zoned for commercial use and a building permit is already in place. The vacant lot at the end of the street would be an ideal location to build your new home. I would be more than happy to show it to you this afternoon if you have time. Next up is maintenance. The term maintenance refers to regular monitoring and upkeep of a property in order to minimize the amount of damage to its structure and contents. Maintenance is a standard aspect of owning a property. Equipment breaks and needs to be repaired, plants and trees need to be cared for, and buildings sometimes need a new coat of fresh paint. The word maintenance can be used to describe all of these activities. A lease signed by a tenant and a landlord will typically specify which maintenance activities the tenant is responsible for and which are the responsibility of the landlord. Larger properties usually have property management companies that either handle the maintenance themselves or contract it out to a third party. In this context, to contract something out is another way of saying to sign a contract. Examples. The roof is about 10 years old, so it should be a while before it needs to be replaced. All it needs right now is some maintenance. We hired a landscape architect to redesign the backyard. He said he would focus on plants that require very little maintenance. Property. The term property generally refers to any piece of real estate that can be owned by a person, a business, or another party. As a real estate professional, you know all about property. It's what you sell or lease to your clients, or what you acquire for your investment fund. It's what you work with every day as a property or asset manager. One thing that is important to remember here is that in English, we can use this term to refer to a plot of land and the structures on it, or just to a building all by itself. Examples. We sold the property for more than the asking price because the attractive location generated a lot of competition. It's a beautiful property near the water with a lovely view of the lake. Where and The term wear and tear refers to damage or deterioration to a property resulting from ordinary use, aging, or weather. When a tenant moves out of a property, they need to return it in good condition. Normal wear and tear cannot be avoided and is generally not considered a problem. Wear and tear includes floors in need of basic maintenance, faded carpets, and chipped paint. Many of the repairs that need to be done because of wear and tear are only on the surface and are sometimes referred to as cosmetic repairs. Examples. When we moved out, we got our full deposit back since there was no damage except for ordinary wear and tear. The lease specifies that the tenant is liable for any damages caused that go beyond normal wear and tear. To lease or to rent. As we discussed in detail in a previous video, which you can watch here, the terms lease and rent, when used as verbs, are often interchangeable. The basic definition of the verb to lease or to rent means to grant or hold temporary possession or use of a building, land, or similar, which means that a renter can use the rental premises for a certain amount of time for the payment of an agreed price, which is usually referred to as the rent. Example. We lease office space in an up-and-coming neighborhood where several new developments are currently underway. I rent a 3-bedroom apartment in a very quiet neighborhood near the river. To let. The verb to let is typically used more often in the UK than it is in the US. It is defined as granting temporary possession or use of a building, land, etc. Only the owner or landlord can grant such rights. Examples. The portfolio is comprised of 12 logistics properties, all of which are let to strong covenant tenants in the last mile logistics sector. The apartment building features 8 units, 2 of which are let to families, and 6 of which are let to single professionals who work in the city. That's it for this first video in our 5-part series. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot. I'll be back soon with part 2 of this series. And I'll set up a playlist so that you can find these videos easily if you want to review. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like. And don't forget to check out our course offer for real estate English learners on our website. Have a great week. See you next time.